Brow shaping explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common phrase in the beauty industry, brow shaping. This is a term you might come across in fashion magazines, beauty blogs, or even at a salon. Let's understand what it means and why it's important. Brow shaping refers to the process of changing the shape of the eyebrows. This is typically done to enhance facial features, create balance, or follow a beauty trend. Brow shaping can be achieved through various methods like plucking, threading, waxing, or even microblading. The eyebrows frame the face and can dramatically affect your look. Proper brow shaping can highlight your eyes, improve symmetry, and even affect how others perceive your emotions. That's why finding the right shape for your face is so important in beauty routines. Shaping brows usually starts with a consultation with a professional who will recommend a shape based on your face shape and natural brow lines. The actual shaping process might involve measuring, outlining, and then the removal of excess hair to create the desired shape. After shaping, it's crucial to follow aftercare advice to avoid irritation. This includes avoiding touching the area and applying any recommended products. Maintenance involves regular appointments to keep the shape intact or doing touch-ups at home. We hope this video has been illuminating on the world of brow shaping. Whether you're considering shaping your brows for the first time or are just curious about the process, remember it's all about enhancing your natural beauty. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more beauty insights.